Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down Qwen 3.5, the latest AI model from Alibaba's Qwen lineup. This is a major leap in AI because it's designed for what they call native multimodal agents, meaning it can understand and act on text, images and visual interfaces all at once. So what's the purpose? Picture an AI that doesn't just respond to questions, but can actually see what's on your screen, interpret it, and perform tasks across different apps. That's the direction this model is heading. The official name is Qwen 3.5-397B-A17B. It's a vision language model, which means it processes text and visuals together, not as disconnected pieces. The model carries a massive parameter count, but it's smartly structured so it only activates what's needed per task, keeping things highly efficient. It's also multilingual, with language support expanding from 119 to over 200 languages. That's a significant advantage if you want AI that operates on a truly global scale. Let's stop and define native multimodal. Most earlier models handle images and text separately and combine them afterward, but Qwen 3.5 trains the model to merge them from the start, so it can reason across text, vision, even long video and document inputs as one unified understanding. So rather than text first, vision after, Qwen 3.5 sees all inputs simultaneously. That leads to stronger comprehension of complex visuals paired with text like charts, slides, video summaries, or detailed diagrams. One of the standout features is visual agentic capability, essentially the model's ability to interpret what appears on a screen, including buttons, forms, and UI elements, and then generate actions like clicks or typed inputs. Think of an AI that can navigate your apps or interfaces based on spoken instructions, not just conversation. That moves well beyond simple input-output exchanges and toward automation that feels genuinely interactive. It's closer to what you'd imagine a smart assistant doing real, meaningful tasks for you. In benchmarks, Qwen 3.5 competes well against top-tier models. In language instruction following, multimodal reasoning, and long context processing, it performs remarkably well. It's also engineered to be faster and more cost-effective per operation than its predecessor, making it far more practical. There's also a hosted version called Qwen 3.5 Plus, featuring a massive 1 million token context window and adaptive tool support, meaning it can manage very long documents or complex workflows without losing focus. So, to sum up, Qwen 3.5 goes beyond basic chat. It merges text and visual understanding at its core. It's designed for agentic tasks, working across screens, actions and tools. It supports over 200 languages. It's not just a chatbot. It's more like an AI teammate that sees, reasons and acts. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you want a deeper look into how models like this actually function behind the scenes.